Today, kakaibang unboxing muna tayo. Hawak ko dito is the Asus Store na LockerStar 4 Gen 2. This is powered by the Intel na Celeron and of course together with 4 gigs of RAM. This is a NAS system. Ano nga bang NAS system? Ano mga trabaho nun? This is basically having your own cloud at your own home, having your own server which you can access anytime, anywhere across the world basta maganda yung internet connection sa bahay. And of course, maganda rin ang iyong internet connection wherever you are across the world. So, i-unbox muna natin. Of course, this is how it looks like. Ganito ang itsura ng NAS system. But of course, makita nyo ang full usage nito sa full review ko sa YouTube channel ko. And you can host 4 na drives dito. And sa likod, you have a big cooling fan together with dalawang LAN port, isang USB port, and of course, isang HDMI port. And of course, meron ka pang isang USB port dito sa harap, which comes in handy. Pwede ba natin expand together with a Transcend na DDR4 na RAM. This is 8 gigs na RAM na 3200. So, sasalpak natin dito itong SODIMM na RAM na ito, which is normally ginagamit para sa mga laptop. And of course, I got 2 Iron Wolf na Seagate na drive dito, dalawang 4 terabytes. So, meaning I have 8 terabytes of storage dito on my NAS ni Asus Store. No? So, basically, ikakabit natin to 2 out of 4 possible drives na pwede natin magamit dito, gagamitin natin ito. So, therefore, this is going to give you a good na system to back up everything that you need. Be it na-capture mo sa CCTV, yung videos ng family mo, pictures, mga vacation mo, lahat ng files mo sa trabaho, for leisure, whatever. You can save your games here, everything. Kayang-kayang gawin nitong Seagate na Iron Wolf na drive natin. So, we'll be slapping this inside the Asus Store na LockerStar 4 Gen 2. Then, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin to, how it's going to be relevant para sa inyo. Do you need this nga ba? Lalo sa mga content creator, I think this is definitely something that you should have. Itong Asus Store na LockerStar 4 Gen 2. So, follow me for more information, lalo na sa aking full review, which ilalabas natin pretty soon sa aking YouTube channel. So, see you soon.